Hey everybody, this is Rick with the Mercedes Diesel Guy channel, and this is my 2005 Toyota Sienna project. You may be wondering what's going on here. Well, let me just explain. So last week and the week before I was cleaning the interior and using a lot of water to do that, using my water extractor machine and a spray bottle. And basically the idea with the water extractor was that I would spray on the chemicals in the water and agitate with a scrub brush, and then the water extractor would pull the dirty water straight out. And if you look at the end of my last video, which I apologize was a very long video, I can show you the progression of cleaning. So the carpet actually did get pretty clean. It's not perfect, but I really don't have forever to devote to getting it perfect. So I'm just kind of moving on. But anyhow, I thought I had extracted, as much water as I could from the car last week. And, because there's nature out here, I closed the car up. And, there was residual moisture in there. So we did get rain from Hurricane Ida here last week. The long and the short of it is that it was a very humid week here. So, once or twice I opened up the van just to check on it. And probably about midweek after the rain had stopped, probably Wednesday, I noticed two little spots of what looked to be fresh mold. And that concerned me, but obviously it was because of all the moisture and, whatever else was in the car. Like I said, I couldn't get it perfectly clean in there. So what I did was I quickly cleaned up those spots of mold. And then what I did was I put a dehumidifier here with a vent hose in the car, and I've had that running for the last couple of days, and everything's pretty dry in there now. So I'm just gonna go handheld with the camera for a moment, and I'll show you how I did this. So as you can see here, here's the exit, and I blocked off this portion of the window with cardboard and painter's tape. Here is the vent hose that goes out of the dehumidifier, and I actually did put a flap over top of it here, not to cover it completely, but just so rain wouldn't get in here. But clearly the weather had other plans, and that's gone, and the bug here got stuck to the tape. But anyhow, thankfully it did not rain, so that was not an issue. So as you can see, I routed the extension cord here into the car. I've got the hose here running to the dehumidifier unit, and actually this is just something I found in the house. This is actually a portable AC unit, but it does have a dehumidifier function. So anyhow, that's what I've been using. It's probably not the best dehumidifier in the world, but I had it on hand, and it really did seem to do the job. So my task for today, and I'm not going to show you any of the work, is I'm going to continue on and hopefully finish cleaning the interior, which is it's going to be the same tools and chemicals again. So anyway, I'm going to get to work now. If there's anything else worth showing, I'll show you. Otherwise, I'm going to call it a video here. So this is Mercedes Diesel Guy. Thanks for watching. I know it's a short installment. Hopefully the next video will have more for you to see.